Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We don't have the formula to do this integration. So in this one we need to reverse the order in here. So we have dy dx into dx dy. So in this one we need to find the bounds of dy and dx about y. So we can see that y is greater than the square root of s over number 3 and smaller than or equals to number 1. About s, that should be from 0 to number 3. Now we need to graph about this one. So this one that should be like this, and y equals to number 1. That should be like this from 0 to number 3. So this location in here, that's about number 3, because if we put number 3 go to this one, so we have y equals to number 1, and that's about intersection between number 1 and the square root of s over 3. So the area of the region, we need to concentrate that is about this one, because y is greater than the function in here. That means they are in the upper in here, and smaller than or equals to number 1, so they go to this area in here. That's why we have this one, because we change into the s dy. So we have y equals to the square root of s over 3. And now I will put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So number 3 go to the left. And now this one, that is about s. So s, that will go in here. So if we look on the region, we can see that s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equal to 3y squared. That's about the curve in here. Now this one, that is about 4y. So we see that this one is around number 1. So y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. So we go back in here. So we keep the same the function about dx. So s is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than of 3y squared. dy, that is from 0 to number 1. And now the integration of dx, we have s, and we put the bounds from 0 to 3y squared. So this one I will put in here, number 0 I will put in here. So we have like this. The next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to y to the power of 3. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equal to 3y squared dy. Later that we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 colon here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 colon here. So u equals to number 1. So the bound, we don't change anything. Y to the power of 3, we change by u. 3y squared dy, we change by du. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.